Hi, welcome back to our channel. We are made by Marty and this is Martyn and Lyle, and we were given a Beckvam stool. It was going to landfill and we said we would take it. And what we decided to do first with the stool, because we're going to turn it into a planter, is to paint the side legs and the back support. We didn't paint the top of the stool or the step. We stained the top and the sides. Here we've got some rustic boxes that I'm just spraying with the same colour of chalk paint, which I mixed up. And here's the stool being put together. There was quite a lot of parts missing, but Martyn just made it work and just put screws in other areas. The dowlings were missing, etc. And here's Martyn just giving it a really good sand on the edges just to kind of shabby it up. Just to kind of give it a little bit more of a vintage feel. And what he did was he just attached with screws the two boxes on the side. This is the stool so far with its lovely new paint job. Now at this point in time it has been sealed. I'm using a series of mylar stencils and IOD stamps, and just to apply a sort of vintage sort of kind of flower shop herb garden sort of stencil to the side. So I've used mylar, just ordinary plain from eBay mylar stencils for my words, and I'm using IOD stamps in different fonts and the IOD peony stamp to give it some floral interest. And here it is, and again it's been sealed again because it's going to be an outdoor piece and it's looking quite good, all stenciled and stamped. Here's the finished article, and it's got some herbs and different planters on it, and I'm going to use it as a little herb stool, and it looks super cute, really nice. And here's some lovely glamour shots. If you really like what we've done with this little upcycle today, please feel free to subscribe, and if you want to see more, ring the bell notification, and don't forget to share it and leave a big thumbs up. Thank you very much, and we hope to see you again soon.